Have you ever looked at a pallet and asked yourself, what could I make out of this? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take these ugly looking things and turn it into this. I start by setting all my boards into the clamps. I'm making 18-inch circles, so these are already cut to about 18.5 inches. On some of my circles, the end boards would only be attached on the center support, so I added a small amount of glue to those. Because I had so many of these to make, my husband made me this jig to help the process go faster. I use my combination square to help square up the boards. I snug up the clamps and check again with my combination square to make sure that I am square. This is the most important part. I use these clamps to hold my jig in place and then begin to glue down my uprights. I am now using my air stapler with 5/8 inch staples to secure them in place. If you did not have these stapled down in the right spot, when you go to hang your wall sign, the boards on the front will look crooked. So that's why this part is so important. Before I take my jig off, I drill a hole all the way through the front of my sign at my center point. This is going to allow me to insert my rivet for my homemade circle cutting jig for the bandsaw. I now insert the rivet into my 18-inch slot. With this circle cutting jig, I can cut from a 2-inch circle all the way to a 48-inch circle in 2-inch increments. If you would like to learn how to make a jig like this one, you can check out my husband's YouTube channel at Maynard DIY. This circle cutting jig makes circle cutting very easy.
If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to keep up with all my latest projects. If you're interested in seeing how today's circles turned out and want to see the finished product, go ahead and check me out on Instagram at Stronger by Grace Designs. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching and hope to see you on the next one.